Hello friends, welcome to AHA Academy. Today we are going to discuss chi-square analysis. For the purpose, we are having one data. The data 250 patient is there. The 250 patient they suffering from some disease. For the purpose, doctor they are going to give two kind of treatments. One is traditional treatment, another one is a modern treatment. I mean conventional treatment, another one is a new treatment. For the purpose, we are having 250 total patients, the number of patients favorable, not favorable, and a new treatment and a conventional treatment. Two types of the treatment available, and a number of patients favorable and not favorable. Altogether 250 patient available. This is problem exactly. So analyze chi-square analysis. What is the result? For the purpose, how we are going to start in the sense formula we must understand very beginning. Chi-square analysis, especially for chi-square equal to observed frequency minus expert frequency whole square divided by expert frequency. See, this is formula exactly. So before reach this formula, we have to do some basic activities. For example, observed frequency. Observed frequency in the sense available for data. For example, 140, 60, 30, 20. This is available data. I mean observed frequency. The same thing, just you take and write 140, 60, 30 and 20. Now we want to identify expert frequency. Expert frequency we want to identify in this moment. So this is very easy. You need not to worry. How we can identify expert frequency? I mean E value. This 136, how we have been reached in the sense very simple. For example, row total, just to look at row total into column total divided by grand total. This is formula, row total into column total divided by grand totals. So here row total in the sense 170 into 200 divided by 250. If you are doing this calculation, we come to know exactly 136. Likewise, second data equivalent to 60, you go for 80 into 200 divided by 250. Value is 64. If you are having calculation, kindly do it with help of the calculator. Easily you come to know how we have been reached 136, 64. Then 34, how we are reached in the same formula, RT into CT divided by GT. Row total into column total divided by grand totals. Next 34 it will come. Next 16 it will come. So now two data available, O also available, E available. O raw data we are taking, expert frequency we are identified with help of the RT into CT divided by GT. So I mean grand totals. Now next steps we will go O minus E whole square. Here O in the sense available data 140 minus 136 whole square. I mean 4 it will come. 4 square in the sense 16. So minus or plus immaterial, just ignore here. Same 4 we will get the square. If you are taking 16 it will come. Same again minus 4. So 16 will come. 20 minus 16, 4 into 4, 16 it seems to available. Next we want to identify final stage, chi-square. Chi-square equal to observed frequency minus expert frequency whole square divided by expert frequency. If you are going to apply this value, for example, already 16 is there. 16 divided by 136. This value will reach 0.12. How we can reach in the sense 16 divided by 136 expert frequency. Then 16 divided by 64, 0.25. Then 16 divided by 34, 0.47. Then 16 divided by 16, 1 it will come. So altogether total value, chi-square value is 1.84. Chi-square equal to 1.84. So we may say calculated value. This name is calculated value. So right now we are reached 1.84 our calculated value. So after completing this, kindly look at this problem. So degree of freedom we supposed to identify. How we can identify degree of freedom in the sense R minus 1 into column minus 1. Here how many rows available? Only for the 2 rows available. So 2 minus 1 into how many column available? Only for the 2 column available. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So 2 minus 1, 1 into 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 into 1, 1. degree of freedom is 1. Then level of significance alpha value 0.05. So most probably this value question itself available, you need not to worry. Okay, now with the help of degree of freedom 1 and significant value 0.05, through help of the chi-square table we will get it this value 3.84. I mean table value or critical value 3.84. This is table value, this is calculated value. Always table value is high, calculated value is low. We must accept our null hypothesis. What is exactly? H naught equal to no significant difference between new treatment and conventional treatment. So what is the point here? Table value higher, calculated value lower. So null hypothesis accepted. I mean there is no significant difference between new treatment as well as conventional treatment. So whether it's a new treatment also same result we are going to get it, and the conventional treatment also same result we are going to get it. So if this kind of answer, if you're going to write final, out of 10 you're going to reach exactly 10 mark only. So no doubt it's the easiest problem. So kindly do the few more practice with help of some book. Easily you can reach very good mark in your business statistics, maybe BBA or MBA or quantitative technique or data analysis point of these are question, it will come, you can reach very good mark. So hope so you are reached how we can do the chi-square analysis. Thank you friends, we'll see next one more problem.